Hello everyone, my name is Sude and this is my CS50 Project 5, Capstone. If you are ready, let's start. In my final project, I designed a website where you can order food online, which is owned by almost all restaurants today. When you enter the site, a few pictures of the interior design of the restaurant welcome you. These pictures progress at the intervals of 10 seconds, or we can change them ourselves by pressing the lines here. Oh, I forgot to say, of course there is no such restaurant. All the pictures are used as an example, the phone numbers are not valid, and I used the location of my university where I am still studying. Let's continue. Here is the meal of the day in this section. If you want to order this meal, you can press the button and create the order. On the right side of the page, there is a button for information about the restaurant and for ordering delicious meals immediately. If you click this button, it will take you to the menu with the meals. Here are all the meals from the restaurant. We will go to the ordering stage later. Now, let's continue from the home page, where we left off. To turn to the main page from this page, I click on the restaurant name in the upper left corner. And in this section, there is an information section. If you want to organize a very enjoyable party with your friends, there is a section reserved for you on this page. Here it is. If you want to throw a party and get information about it, you should click this button, and here are all the details. You have decided to throw a party and you want to call us. Here you can learn all our contact information by clicking here. If you want to know our location, just click on the map at the bottom of the home page, like that. By the way, you can reach the menu, party section and contact information not only from the main page, but also from the buttons on the top right. As restaurant owner, we can also add new meals to the menu. Let's add a new one together. First, I will go to the admin page. This is the page created to add new food. I will fill in the information here. All information is here. I have to hit the save button. And the meal was recorded. Let's check it out on the restaurant page. Here it is. Now let's order the food we want. I want to eat pancakes. Let's say I added the wrong product to the cart. I can delete it from here, or I can increase the number of meals. I choose the right product. Now I can proceed the checkout. I was presented with 3 options as a payment method. I will choose this one. Loading. That's all. My order is created. This is the last project I designed. Thank you for listening to me.